on here where there's a test for us?
Go to group meeting and then just press start, and that's the test.
Okay.
So I went all the way up to where we were, so I can tell you those answers so you don't have to look through your notes or whatever.
Yeah, I don't have them anymore.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Let me see if I can do some of these off memory. I remember the randomly selected brand of toothpaste.
Yeah.
What do we have? We had 112 was the statistic, right?
Right. And then 100 was the parameter.
Extremely high property values. We have that as a stratified sample, right?
Right.
And then for student selected type. I had that as cluster.
Yeah. And then 7, since they didn't have convenience, I put a simple random sample because we were between those two.
Right. And then the one after that is that's a systematic one.
I thought we put stratified again.
Okay.
Then 9 is 4.77. You got that?
Yeah.
And then 10 is 1.912.
I wish we had known all this was on the test, right?
Yeah. And 11. So 12 is negative 0.165.
Right.
And then 13 is 0.681. And then 14 is the variance. And the standard deviation for 15 is 0.511. And then we put false for 16.
Correct.
And 17 we put extradal, whatever that is. 18, if you can, which I think you can.
What do we have of 19? Did we even do that one?
No. So I think the third quartile is 6.
Yeah.
And then I don't know what 20 is. I just put 50, even though I don't know if that's right. Because so there's 5 quartiles. So yeah, I don't know. I just guessed 50.
We have data in 2 of the 5, right?
Say what?
We have data in 2 out of the 5, right?
Oh yeah. So it's just, well.
That's how I got 40%.
What?
That's how I did it before, and I think it ended up being 40%.
Why is it 40%?
Just, I mean, if we're looking on the bar, the between 4 and 8 hours is the area that's filled in, right?
Right.
So I mean that's 2 out of the that's 2 out of the 5 areas of data.
And isn't it 6 too? So it's 3 out of the 5 areas.
Oh wait, you're right.
So
maybe it is 50%.
But it's not even 50% because there's 5. So would it be 75%? But that means only 25% is on the outside. So I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me.
Yeah, I don't know. Let's leave it at 50.
Okay. Okay, and then we stopped there. So, well, a little bit further. So we're on 21, the one that we both don't understand.
Okay. I don't remember these.
Yeah.
Hey, let's go 35 and then go backwards.
Okay.
Yeah, we just did these.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we have to go back to 26 and go down.
Yeah.
All right. So the administration's committees for most Masters of Business Administration program requires a graduate management admission test as part of the application for new BYU. For new students, it has been shown that the score of the GMAT are normally distributed with a mean of that and a standard deviation of that. So mean is 5, 4, 2, 3. Standard deviation is 1, 2, 0, 0.5. Okay, the minimum GMAT score required for administration to the MACC program to the School of Accounting at BYU is 500. So that's the minimum, 500. But it is rare for students with scores less than 600 to be admitted. Okay, so really 600. What is the probability that a randomly selected student will have a score above that number on the GMAT? So we do, isn't it 542.3 minus 500? 42.3 divided by 120.54. Wouldn't that just be 0?
That can't be right. Wait. So wait, the mean is 542.3, right?
Yeah.
That
So
means like half of the students will score more than that, right? Isn't that what that means?
I feel like it should. But so do we say 0.5 or
Is it? Yeah,
is it?
it has to be, doesn't it?
It seems like it should be, but yeah, it should be 50%. Here, 0.5. Okay.
That's the only thing I can think of is asking us how many will get above the average. I mean, the average is calculated by half, right?
Yeah. Okay, so 27. What is the probability that a randomly selected student will score below 600 on the GMAT? So it's 600 minus 542.3 over 120.54, right?
Correct.
Okay, what is that?
We have a 0.478.
1 second, I haven't got it yet. What'd you get?
0.478.
Yeah, I got that too. So 0.479 rounded. Okay, so that's the z-score. So then we need to put it into that probability thing.
You got 0.479 instead of 478?
Well, I got 0.47867, so rounded would be 9.
And is it greater? Let me see.
Less than.
Score 600 or above. Do you have a 0.3124?
What? For what?
The probability it'll be a 600.
Oh, yeah. I haven't got to the applet yet. 1 second. So less than. So I got 0.684. And you got 0.316.
312. Why?
So I got 0.6840 because we got the z-score positive. It was 0.479. So it's everything below that.
Oh, wait. You said it was a 479 or 489?
479.
Okay, that's what I did wrong.
Okay.
And what'd you get?
I got 0.684. Is that what you got too?
Oh,
Did you get 0.3160?
yes, I did.
Okay, so since our I found this out from the last one because I went into the tutoring place. I'm pretty sure. So I found out since our z-score is positive, it's 0.479. It's not negative 0.479. So everything under that is what's less than.
Oh, we did it wrong before then, didn't we?
Yeah. Remember how we got those ones wrong and we're like, I don't understand why.
0.684 then, right?
Yeah, so that's what I got to.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
6, 8.
And we're looking
Okay.
90th percentile.
So what is the probability? Yeah, that's above. So I got, so it's 0.316.
0.316. How'd you get that?
So it's just the same thing, but instead of everything below, it's everything above.
So I got the same thing, but I did it without using the probability calculator.
What'd you do?
So, the whole number is going to be 1.
1. So you just minused it.
Yeah, so if 10% 684, then the 90 is 316.
Yeah. That works too.
Yeah.
Okay, so find out the GMA correspondent with the 10th percentile. Okay. So the percentiles I hate them.
Where are you?
29. That's where you are too, right?
That's what we did. We just did the 684 there, didn't we?
No, that was for 27.
Oh, I'm so off. Okay. My answer's in the wrong place.
You got it right now? Oh. Okay.
Percentile.
Okay, so we need to find the 10th percentile. I hate percentiles. Do you remember how to do the percentiles?
No.
I hate them. They're the thing that always messes me up.
Let me look really quick. All right.
What one is that even under? What lesson?
I don't remember. I'm looking it up online really quick. This is order values in the data from smallest to largest, and then it's the percentage by the total number of values. Well, let me not do that. Do we have what the test scores are?
The test scores? No. Well, just that the average is 542.3.
Gosh, I don't know.
I feel like it was the last one. Lesson 7. No, that was probability. It's probability. Stupid percentiles. Is it lesson sample distribution? No. No. Calculating percentiles using normal distribution. Okay. Calculating. First, we need to find the z-score to correspond to norm. Okay, so we go to the applet and so click on the areas under the curve until only the areas are left. So it says, okay, so this is explaining how to find the 90th percentile. It says, first we need to find the z-score that corresponds with the 90th percentile using the normal probability applet. Click on the areas under the curve until only the areas left of the positive z-score are shaded blue. Okay, so isn't that the middle and the right side?
Yes.
Okay. Then type the desired area or percentile in the box at the top. So we need to, we'll just do 90 because we have to figure that out anyways, and that's the example. Okay. So we did that. The z-score corresponding to the area will be displayed in the bottom right. Okay, the only thing. Oh. Click on the areas under the curve until only the areas left of the positive z. Okay, so it's the left and the middle, not the right and the middle. Okay, so the z-score is negative. Well, what's the z-score? So the z-score is 1.282.
Okay.
1.282. So then the equation is the z-score equals the x, which is the value which we're trying to find, minus minus 542.3 over 120.54. So then we multiply both sides by 120.54. But then it's just really 1.282 times 120.54. That equals 154.532 equals x minus 542.3. So we just add that to both sides, plus 542.3. And our answer is 696 point. Oh, that's it. 6.7.
What was that?
The answer is 697.
27.
Do you know how we got that? That's for 90. That's for 90.
I'll get there.
Okay, do you know how we did that?
Yes.
Okay, do you want to talk through doing the 10 one then? The 10 percentile?
Yeah, if we can.
So you just go to the applet and you do everything left.
Hold on, let me write. Okay.
Tell me what you get. Because
1 second. I lost my data. At 0.3, at 0.3 something, 0.303 within my thing cleared.
0.303.
You have that?
Okay, so whenever I type in the 0.1 for the area, it just goes to the far left.
Yeah.
So is it negative 1.282? You know what I'm saying?
Um,
So I'll show you what happens to me. I don't know why it's happening.
I look at the same thing you do. I have negative,
It happens to you too?
yeah.
Okay, I guess that must be it then.
Do we have the same thing?
Yeah. So it's negative 1. So negative 1.282.
We're on 30, right?
Where are you? Well, 29. We just did 30. Remember, we did the 90th percentile first because that was the example.
Yeah.
So negative 1.282 equals x minus 542.3 over 120.54. So we do the same thing. So okay, what'd you get?
The same one, right? 29?
Yeah, 29. We're doing 29.
I got the same thing. I got the same 323. Am I doing something wrong?
You got what?
323.
323. For
Yeah.
what? For
On the 10th percentile?
yeah. That's the 10th percentile you got?
I don't know. I think I'm screwing it up.
What'd you get for the z-score? Didn't you get negative 1.282?
That's correct.
And then you did, so
On
that
the
equaled
right,
what?
the number on the left side, right?
Yeah.
It's 0.100.
I don't know what you're talking about. What are you talking about?
We're on the probability app, right?
Oh, okay. You're still there.
Yeah.
So yeah, all you need from there is to find the z-score, which is negative 2.82.
Negative 2.82?
Yeah,
Okay.
because you know when you fill in the two left sides and then you put the area 0.1, it goes over only to the far left, and so it's to the line that it goes to, so negative 1. Okay, so then you equal that to x minus 542.3 over 120.54, and then you have to solve for x.
No, I screwed it up.
Do you want me to show you my math?
Yeah. Can you show me the formula?
Yeah. 1 second. So that's what I did.
She got 388. Let me take a look.
Yeah, I got 388.
Oh, good grief. Yeah, I'm missing some steps in there. I need it. Kay, can you send me a picture of that and just mark the formula for it? Like, I'd appreciate that.
All right. So let me write down just a general. So in the picture, just ignore the 697.
Okay.
That's not part of that one. And then the thing that I have boxed is just the general equation.
Got it. Okay.
Okay. So 31, 32, we have to figure out the first quartile and the third quartile. So do you know how to do that?
Oh. We're going to review previous notes on this, aren't we?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you remember which lesson we did this on?
No. Quartile. It sounds like the box is not lesson 5. It's not lesson 6. Not lesson 7. Okay. I think it's lesson 3. Well, where's the value of third quartile? Okay, well, that's annoying. That one just shows how to find it in the quartiles or special appearances. What quartile? First quartile is the 25th percentile. The second quartile, okay. So we just had to. So the first quartile is the 25th percentile. The second quartile is the 50th. The third quartile is the 75th. So we just have to find those probability ones. So the first we had to find 25 and 75.
Okay.
So good.
Step by step, yeah, the process.
Yeah. So we need to go to the probability applet and get the 25 percentile, which I'm getting as negative 0.674. Is that what you got to?
I had it closed. I got to reopen it.
Oh.
What was our Z-score on that?
That's what we're figuring out. We have to figure that out to find the whatever we're trying to figure out. To find the first quartile of the distribution.
Okay. Z-score notes.
So did you get it yet?
Almost. What'd you get for your Z-score?
Negative 0.674.
I did it wrong.
What'd you do? I'll show you my screen. So this is
like all of them wrong. Like every formula I have is wrong.
You see what I did?
I'm looking. I hate the exactness of math. Where are you?
Do you see it?
I do.
The normal part.
4.6. Okay.
So you see how I got that?
Yeah.
Okay. So I got the answer for the answer, what X is. So try to figure it out and then tell me what you get, and then we'll go discuss what happened.
Hey, can you show me one more time?
Yeah. The probability applet.
I gotta bring my applet back up. Son's giving me a hard time now. Stop. Remember that when you're doing algebra 2.
Okay. There you go.
I had that.
You got it now?
Give me 1 second. All right, I finally have it up.
So do you need mine anymore?
No, I got it up. All right.
So try to figure that one out and then tell me your answer, and then we'll see if we got the same.
You want the first quartile, right?
Yeah.
Gosh, I hope I'm doing this right. So I've got point. I'm sure I did it wrong. Is it 0.998?
I got 461.
Okay.
So how 1 second. How did you get your answer?
I don't know. I've got it all wrong. I don't know if it's going to kill me.
So what did you do? Tell me what you did.
No. You know what? Can we go to the next group?
Are you sure? I can help you learn it, and then you could do it on the test.
No, I'm going to have to spend like all day tomorrow studying, or I'm not going to pass the test.
Okay, so for 31, the first quartile, I got 461.
Run by me how you got that.
Okay, so I got the z-score of negative 0.674, right? Like you did. And then, so I equaled that to x minus 542.3 over 120.5. So you're solving for x. So you times both sides by 120.5 to get rid of that denominator. And so that makes negative 674 to negative 81.217.
Okay.
And then you add 542.3, so that x is by itself. And then you get 461.
I'm lost.
On what?
All of it. I'm sorry.
Okay. So what do you want me to explain it again, slower, or do you want me look at that picture I sent you? Do you want me to send you a picture of this one too?
If you can, it'll help for tomorrow.
Okay. I'll send you a picture of because I did the third quartile too. So I'll send you a picture of both of those.
Okay.
So it's everything that's left of the red line that I drew. So when you get it.
Okay. Do you want to go on to 33?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so 33. Consider a simple random sample of 15 students taking the GMAT. What is the mean of the distribution of sample mean score for such samples?
Just came in. Okay.
What is the mean of the distribution?
I don't understand what the question's asking. What are they asking?
Isn't
What
the
the mean
mean?
is? We already know what the mean is.
Yeah, so it's asking for what is the mean of the distribution of samples mean score. Isn't it though the same? I think it's the same, but the standard deviation is different. I remember that because last time we thought they were both the same, but they're not.
Right.
So, but I think the mean is the same. So the mean would still be 542.3.
Yeah.
Round to the nearest tenth. Okay.
Deviation would be different, right?
Yeah, standard deviation.
I thought it was the same, but how is it different?
I remember asking. I'm looking back through my notes to see if I can find it. Okay, so standard deviation of the sample is the standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample.
It'd be 15, right?
So it'd be, what was the standard deviation? 120.5 divided by the square root of 15. That's what it would be. So 120.5 divided by the square root of 15.
3.87. Oh, wait. Let me use my calculator.
I got 31 point.
31 point what?
I got 31 point. What's round to the 113.
120.5. Oh, it helps if I didn't put 102. 1.5 divided by square root of 15, right?
Yeah. You get that?
No, I got a calculator error. Oh, okay, that's why.
You got it now?
I will in 1 second. Oh. I got an error again. 1.5. Oh my gosh, I keep getting an error.
I'm sending you a picture of my calculation.
Can I see it on your screen?
I just sent you a picture.
Okay. It's not coming in. Oh, here it is. Oh, okay. I got my parentheses in the wrong place again.
Yeah.
All right, so you got 31.
31.113 because it says to the third 3 decimal places.
Okay. And we're going to do We're gonna do the probability for, we're 35 now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Measurement score. So you have a sample of 15. Let's see if the 15 is going to be greater than the 600, right?
Well, at this, well, the sample mean, we're seeing if, yeah, 600 is, yeah. So we're doing 600 minus 542.3 over 120.5 divided by the square root of 15.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have no idea how you memorize that.
Me either.
Yeah, I don't, I'm not going to get that.
You what?
I'm not going to get that at all.
One second. Okay, so what did you get?
I didn't. I don't get it. And I want to go back to the parts I kind of understand.
I'm sending you a screenshot of my math I did.
Okay.
So that's just to find the z-score. And then you have to plug the z-score into the applet.
Okay, I have it.
Okay. Do you understand it?
No.
What don't you understand?
I'm not processing new stuff. I'm sorry it's late for me.
Yeah.
I'm just, I need to follow up on 35 tomorrow. I can miss
Okay.
something. I don't know it.
So the answer I got is 0.032. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more.
We have 23 through
21 through 25.
25. Okay. So we have a normal distribution, right?
Let me read it again.
Hey, isn't that the formula for obtaining the mean?
Well, no. Because the mean is mu, which is that u. So u minus this 2 standard deviations and mu plus 2 standard deviations is equal to 2.542, which I don't get.
Isn't that the answer?
Why would that be? I don't understand why that would be the answer.
Okay, so it's saying, how can 1.59 so I have a go. So the mean minus what equals 1.59?
What?
So it's the mean minus something equals 1.59, right?
No. It says we assume 1.59 whatever is the value of the mean minus 2 standard deviations and the mean plus 2 standard deviations is equal to 2.52. Which makes
We
no.
already have both of the values, right?
We don't have the standard deviation or the mean. I guess. Well, we probably have the no. We don't have the standard deviation or the mean.
Am I reading it wrong?
I don't. Where do you see it? I don't.
So I mean, it looks like it's giving us the formula for the mean and the standard deviation. Like it, you understand what I'm saying?
But I don't see it because how do you find the mean? What is the mean?
Well, it's telling us that isn't it telling us that the mean is the 1.59?
I don't see that. It's saying that 1.59 is the value of the mean minus 2 standard deviations and the mean plus 2 standard deviations.
No, they're giving us two different equations. So I'm not reading that right.
But I don't see the equation part of it.
Well, it's not saying they're not both equal to the same thing.
What are they? So okay. So we will assume that 1.59 is equal to the value of.
And that's the end of the solution there, right?
But that doesn't give us the mean. Even if that does, it would just be 1.59 equals mean minus 2 standard deviations. And the mean plus 2 standard deviations is equal to 2.52. See what I'm saying?
Okay.
So we don't know what the mean is or the standard deviation, so I don't know how to find that.
Let's relook at the question. What does it mean? It says observation from the population is unusual if it's more than 2 standard deviations away from the mean.
Right.
I guess we have to figure out what 2 standard deviations away from the mean is.
What do you think it's? So do you think it's whatever that 68, whatever, you know what I'm talking about? I don't remember what they all are. 68, 95, 99.7. Do you think it's that? And then 2 standard deviations away is 95. So I don't know.
I don't know either. You know, I think I'm reading more into it than it really is.
It just doesn't make any sense to me. Nah. Let's see some more.
Looks like we're missing something in that question.
Yeah, it doesn't seem like we have enough information to figure out what we're supposed to do.
Do you have an answer for 23?
No. Because we have to know the standard deviation, or yeah, we have to know we have to know the mean and the standard
What are
deviation.
those formulas normally equal to, though?
What formulas?
The mean minus the standard deviation should equal something, right?
Well, the mean minus the standard deviation? I don't know. I've never seen that before. At least I don't remember.
I remember looking at formulas. All right, let me just think about this again. Nitrate concentration is between 1.59 and 2.52. So our numbers have to stay within that range, right?
Yeah. So I don't like, is the mean just the number in between those? Right?
Well, let me see what that number would be. .05.
You got 0.05?
No, I got 2.05.
Okay, yeah, that's what I got too. That's my best guess, but I don't know if it's right. Because if we find the mean, we can find out the standard deviation, right?
I think so.
Yeah, we have to do that graph thing and find the variance.
Right.
I don't know. That's what I'm. I don't know what else would the mean be. So, yeah, I don't know what else it would be.
Gosh, we're in the last two, aren't we? I know we're not. We're still 23, 24, 25.
Well, no, we still can't find the standard deviation because we need the mean minus the sample mean. Or, yeah. I don't know what this is.
You know what? I'm probably just going to have to get that wrong. I gotta wait wake up in a couple hours.
Yeah, I'm just gonna guess for 23 and then just turn it in because I have no idea.
Don't know 24, 25 either.
Yeah. Okay, I'm submitting it.
Okay.
You have to answer all questions before, so just get the zeros for those.
All right.
Still got an 83.
I'm gonna get that. I mean, oh, it says I'm missing something. What'd you get for 32? That's the only one I'm missing.
32. I got 624.
How poorly I did.
Ah! I'm gonna go to the math lab and help them.
Yeah, 75.
Why?
I don't know. I messed stuff up. That's okay. I mean, I did best I could. I got the first part of it right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, well, you're gonna go to bed. I'm gonna go to bed. We're both gonna go to bed.
Help, appreciate it.
Yep. Good luck on the test tomorrow.
All right, take care.
Okay, you too.
Okay, bye.
Bye.